Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that?
What's up, you guys? It's a quick welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be doing a back to school, college, high school, shoot, you can even do middle school hairstyle, you guys. I didn't like how I did the connecting style for this video, but I do like how the butterflies are able to lay. So I have a lot of like clips of butterflies. There we go. So I have a lot of these. I don't know where I got these from. I think I got them at the beauty supply. But yeah, these will like completely define your look. You can even put the gold accessories on there and everything. Just like quick overview on the products that I use. I love the combination for my hair. It has a tad bit flaking. Like it goes away like a lot throughout the week. This is probably like 5th day hair because I haven't recorded in a long time. So I always end up putting my hair up. Can't get comfortable wearing it down yet, but I'll get there. But for the most part, yeah, this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. Know my place. Shawty, I know my place.
Alright guys, we're just going to start off by sectioning off our hair. I like to do small sections for my hair because it's really thick. I'm just going in with this Emerge Curl Defining Cream for the first time, and I really like it. I love how it smells, and the way I'm just like defining my hair is pretty much the finger detangling method, if that makes sense. I didn't try to do like any shingling or praying hands method. I was just trying to figure out what works best for me because I don't wear my hair out often. So I just made sure I went from the ends of my hair to the root. And now I'm going in with the gel that I am using, which is the Wetline X-treme Gel. I really like this gel. The combo was not crunchy, surprisingly. Like I really enjoyed the combo. One thing that I will say is flaking. As you can see, the products, when they mixed well on my fingers when I tested it out, but in my hair they're obviously not mixing very well. I would say that it wouldn't be like a deal breaker for me because the combo worked really deliciously on my hair, so I really am not complaining about that. But the white stuff goes away after a while.
Shawty, don't play that game. Know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? Got to do. I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Squall. Turn the party wet, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game. Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play
we're going to the top of our hair, and I want to just point out that this wasn't my favorite connecting style that I've ever done. I do like how it came out, but I had a different idea in my head. So what I like to do first is pretty much going with gel. I didn't show you guys that because it didn't work out at first. For some reason, you know, curly hair does not act right all the time. So I just ended up using my Black Panther edge control around the base of my hair, where I'm going to tie an elastic rubber band around.
Shawty, don't play that game, I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game, I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game, I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game. Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me
I'm just
like
going to show you that each box that I am forming in the first row is diagonally connecting to another box in the second row. So if that didn't make sense, you can just keep watching the video, as you should be able to catch along.
Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? Got to do. I'ma make it loud. How I made you scream like a cockatoo. Squall. Turn the party wet, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect? How I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game.
I believe this is about second or third day hair. I always have to wrap my hair up in a puff because I don't know how to wear my hair down yet. It just doesn't look right. I don't know how to stretch it. So I'm rocking a puff at the moment. But anywho, in this clip, I'm going to attempt to blow dry in order to stretch. But it was a fail, so I'm just going to include my process.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life.